Hello everybody, my name is Sajin Gurung and I'm from 5 and today I will be talking about the area of a square. Now what is an area? An area is the space occupied by a two-dimensional shape. Now I'm going to tell you how to find the area of a square. As you can see here, I have a tiny piece of square which the length is 1 centimeter and the breadth is 1 centimeter. So that means the area of this square is 1 square centimeter. Now let's make a bigger square. Now we have a bigger square which has 4 squares combined. One square is 1 centimeter, so this square's area is 4 centimeter. Now let's make an even bigger square. As you can see, now there are 9 pieces of square, so the area of this square is 9 square centimeters. Now let's create an even bigger piece of square. Now there are 16 pieces of square, which makes the area of this square 16 square centimeters. Now for the final square. Now as you can see, there are 25 individual pieces of square, and this makes the area of the square 25 square centimeters. Now as you can see here, the length of the square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters, and all the sides of the square is equal. So if you do 5 times 5 or L times L, the area of the square is 25 square centimeters. I hope you learned something new about the area of square. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you.